How to send audio file on Instagram chat. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Instagram application on your device and make sure that you've logged into your account. Then tap on your DM section at the top right corner of the screen. Here you can select any of the profiles to send your audio file. Now you can see on the message box you have this camera icon, you have the speaker, gallery, your stickers and the plus icon. So when you tap on the plus icon, you can see the option of create orders, location and saved replies. Under stickers, you'll be able to see only the options over here. So here you can see the option of music. So if you want to send the audio file in terms of music, you can just tap on music and you can select any of the music that you would want. So let's tap on the music that you would want to send, and as I tap on it, there you go, you have sent the audio message, or rather a song. If you want to send a message with a voice, what you can simply do is tap on the speaker icon and just speak up your message over here and just tap on send. And there you go. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.